Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on August 23rd attended and witnessed Behdienkhlam at Mukhla, West Jaintia Hills. Extending his greetings to the people on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that it was a great pleasure to be a part of the grand Behdienkhlam festival that was being held after a hiatus of 2 years because of the pandemic. It gives me great joy to be a part of this festival that celebrates our culture, faith, and identity of the state, and as a government, we have always believed that we must support and promote the culture, heritage, and identity of the people through many programs and schemes, he said. Also, he added that the government has always assisted the people for holding such festivals and also funded to improve infrastructures where such cultural festivals are held. The Chief Minister also assured of financial help to renovate the infrastructures at Saint Right Mukhla to ensure that the Behdienkhlam festival continues, thus preserving traditional practices and also to attract more people and tourists to the festival, he said. Among others who witnessed the grand festival were Sostino Sotun, MLA Jirang, and Violet Miki Shilla, MLA Joai, besides members from the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council.